Go.
Hello, this is Dr. Ramirez back on our YouTube channel for Lakeview Veterinary Clinic, and we're here in March talking about storms. This year, we're filming this in 2012, and we've had a very mild winter, and I don't know what that means as far as spring storm season, but we do know there's a lot of pets that get really scared in the storm season. Our own dog, Dina here, who you're seeing modeling for us, is one of those that we will see problems with. So what do we do? How can we help our pets with that? A couple of things. As you remember back for our videos on our 4 rewards, looking at being looked at, being talked to, of course being touched and petted, and of course the ultimate being the food, which you saw her run right for her when she saw my finger going for that. This is the ultimate reward. And what we want to remember is what behavior we reward will get repeated. And so in storm season, what happens is unknowingly, because they act so much like us, is we think they're scared, so we tell them, it's okay, just relax, just be quiet, it'll be okay. And we think we're soothing them. But what's happening in dog think, this is what's going on. The dog's thinking, ooh, big loud noise, I'm kind of scared. Oh, but the person is looking at me and talking to me and touching me. I must be doing the right thing. So they think that the right thing is to be scared and shaking. And we have a lot of clients, and myself included was in this, that the dog would keep getting worse for each storm. But what's happening was, as we were teaching them, that was the correct way to respond to when they heard loud noises that they weren't sure where they were coming from. So what we want to do is, not that we need to discipline them, but all we have to do is withhold those 4 rewards. So make sure we don't look at them, talk to them, or touch them, or give them a little treat. See how I just rustled a little bag and she notices that right away because she's being a good girl and sitting here. We're going to give her a little treat. So just when they're real scared, just ignore them. Make sure you specifically turn your head so you're not even looking at them, whether they're under a chair or in a certain room when the loud noises come. And so then when they maybe come out and show that maybe they're not as afraid, that's when you look, talk, touch. Maybe if you get a little food reward because they're actually coming out and they're not being as afraid, then you do that. If they go back to, then right away, then they run back under their chair, again, you just pick up and ignore. You don't have to discipline. I'm not saying that you want to discipline them. You just ignore and withhold all of the positive rewards. Okay? So that's kind of step 1 on the behavior side. Step 2 is there are different varying tranquilizers that we can use. The prescription type tranquilizers that we've prescribed in the past do make the dogs pretty groggy. But a lot of our clients have had some real nice success with a product that we use called Stress Away. You can see Adina's even used to this. But it's a natural product that takes advantage of the tryptophan, the chamomile, the passion flower that is in here, and we give this to the pets as we see a storm approaching. It really doesn't wipe them out like the prescription tranquilizers do, but it just helps to take a little bit of the edge off, and it really is a nice benefit so that they're still playful, and then the storm blows over, they still want to play, and they don't sleep off the rest of the day. So this is a nice alternative to our prescription products, in addition to making sure we don't inadvertently reward the very wrong behavior that we want them to do. So this is Dr. Ray Ramirez from Lakeview Veterinary Clinic. So we're helping you help live your pets the best life possible for as long as possible. Thank you for tuning in to our YouTube channel, and if you don't have a regular veterinarian, we would love to see you at Lakeview.